The learnings of the Nishmas Ahuva by Sanhedrin Parak Aleph Mishna Aleph. Dine Mominis Bishloisha, Gazelis v'Chavolis Bishloisha. You need 3 dayanim to dan Dine Mominis, and you need 3 dayanim to dan Dine Gazelis, if someone stole, or Chavolis, if a person is Chavel b'Chaverei. The Gemara asks, what are these 2 cases? Atu Gazelis v'Chavolis lav dayane Dine Mominis. What's the difference between Dine Mominis and Gazelis v'Chavolis? So the Gemara says that the first case, Dine Mamanis, is talking about Haida'is v'Halva'is. If someone borrows money or someone's moided to their friend that they owe money, and in such a case, it's different than Gezelis v'Chavalos, because by Gezelis v'Chavalos you need Dayanim Mumchin, and by Haida'is v'Halva'is you don't need Mumchin. The Gemara says, because Reb Chanina says that Shaloitin al Deles b'fnei lavim midaraisa, you need 3 dayanim, and they have to be mumchin. But the Chachamim said that we're afraid people aren't going to lend money if they need to get back the money. They need to go to dayanim mumchim. So they said that you don't need mumchim. Shaloitin al Deles b'fnei lavim. So therefore people will still owe money. There's a different sheet in the Gemara of Acha Berei Deravika who says midaraisa, all you need is 1 dayan, because the pasuk says b'tzedek tishbeit amisecha, and that which you need 3 altogether by haidais v'alvais is only midarabanan. But again, you would not need dayanim mumchin. The Mishnah continues: nezek v'chatzi nezek tashlumei kefa v'tashlumei arboa v'chamisha b'shloisha. All those are with 3 dayanim. Ha'inez v'hamefate, danning up someone who is ma'anis or mefate, where you pay the 50 shekel kesef, v'hamoitzi shemra, or if someone is moitzi shemra, that his wife was mezana between erisin and nesuin, is b'shloisha is good enough with 3 dayanim, divei rameir. However, on Moitzi Shemra, the Chacham and the Chacham argue that Moitzi Shemra be'esim v'shleisha, you need 23, mimnei sheyesh boi dinei nefashis, because if a taka happens that she was mezana, memes hayadavar, zinsa tachtam, and she was taking mezana between erisim and nesuin, then she's going to get skila. So since it's going to wind up that may need skila, and dinei nefashis is be'esim v'shleisha is 23, so therefore already we start off Moitzi Shemra with 23. The Gemara asks, right now it's not dinin nefashis, so why did the Chachamim hold that you have to start off with 23? And why would a mayor argue? And the Gemara gives a bunch of different pshatim in the machlekes. The Taisus Yanta brings down the first pshat in the Gemara, that the Chachamim were choishish for lads, that if you have to wind up adding on more dayanim, people are going to make a lads on the first 3, why they weren't good enough. Mishnah Beis, Makais Bishleisha, Mishum Rabbi Shmuel Omer Be'esim Bishleisha. It's machlekes if you're daning Dine Lavin, where a person is Mechuyev Malkus, how many dayanim you need. The Tanakama says that you need 3, because you learn out from the pasuk that says V'shaftam Shnayim, and we say Ein Bezdin Shakol, so you have to have a 3rd one. L'sifan Le'em Oid Achas. And Rabbi Shmuel argues and says that you need 23. It's machlekes if it's because he learns out Rasha from Chayvi Mises, so just like Chayvi Mises need 23, so Malkus also needs 23, or Rava says, because Malkus b'malka Misa oimedes. Since he was over alav, it's roi be'etzim that he should get Misa. And the Torah says that this Misa is Knas, so the same way by Skila, Sreifa, you need 23, so Malkus is like one of the Misas, and you need 23. Kiddush HaChodesh Ibra Chodesh B'Shloisha, which the Gemara says Ibra, which means when you make it a month of 31, really you don't need to have any day on him. It happens Memela by not being Mekadesh it. The Gemara has a few terutzim. The first teretz is Abaya that says Tani Kiddush HaChodesh, that when you Mekadesh it on the earlier day, then you need 3 day on him. Ibra Hashana is a machlekes. The Tanakama says B'Shloisha Divrei Meir. Meir says that you need 3. You start off with 3. The Gemara explains that if 2 of them don't want to be ma'aber the year, then you're not ma'aber it because you go basa the roiv. But if 2 of them want to be ma'aber the year, then you add on another 2, and again if 3 of them don't want to be ma'aber, so then you're not ma'aber. And if 3 of them do want to be ma'aber, then you would add on another 2, and you would be ma'aber. And the Gemara learns out why you need to do this setup of 3, 5, and 7. Either it was keneged berchas keinim or keneged something else that the Gemara discusses. Vim gamru b'shloisha mu'uberes. But if you would wind up doing it with 3, then it would be mu'uberes. It says that you're ma'aber the year for 3 things. Al ha'aviv, v'al peiros ilam, v'al ha'tkufa. Al ha'aviv is if the tfuah is not ripe yet. Peiros ilam is if the fruits are not ripe yet. And tkufa is either on tkufas tamas, coming out after, is going all the way through the end of Sukkot. So tkufas tishrei is only starting after Sukkot. Or if tkufas teves is going until Tezayim and Nisan, then in that case you would be ma'aber the year.